breaking down how I made my first 100K on YouTube. Let's go. So what's the trick from going from $0 to 100K on YouTube in your first year? Hey, I know what it is. You see, when I started my YouTube career, I had one goal, and that was to travel the world and make money while doing it. That's it. All that I dreamed about was replacing my income as an engineer so that I can travel and explore whenever I wanted. But what actually happened is kind of insane. Not only did I replace my civil engineering income, but I actually made more money than I did as an engineer. Crazy, right? So if you're thinking, man, making 100K my first year as a YouTuber isn't really doable, think again. Hey, if you're pumped for today's tutorial, go ahead and type in YT 100K and let's get started. So I have to attribute a lot of the money I made to this one thing right here, and that is called affiliate marketing. Yeah, affiliate marketing is basically when you promote a product, a service, something that's not yours, right? And you have an affiliate link to promote it. And then when somebody buys that product or service through your affiliate link, you get a commission. It's the oldest type of marketing like in the book, right? Basically think of it as, you know, Macy's salesperson on the floor of Macy's. When they sell a piece of clothing or some makeup or whatever it is, they get a small commission. It's the same thing, it's referral marketing, and nowadays it is known to us as affiliate marketing in the online world. And now I really enjoyed affiliate marketing for a few reasons, and the main reason is because it gave me a lot of time to be able to travel. I could travel, hop from country to country, from Airbnb to Airbnb, and rarely, or I wouldn't say rarely, but minimally work on my business. There were some times when I would be gone for 4 days in a row. Like for example, when I went to Nusa Penida in Bali for a 4-day trip, I was gonna work, but I didn't because we didn't have internet. And so it was actually fine, right? I still kept generating traffic with my YouTube channel and driving traffic to my affiliate links, so it didn't really matter. And let me tell you, focusing on affiliate marketing was such a breath of fresh air compared to what I was doing in the beginning of my career, and that was e-commerce. I was doing Shopify, whereas with that business model, I had to be there. I had to be on the computer 6-7 days a week. There was so many moving parts of that business, with fulfillment, with the branding of the store, with finding hot products, with customer service. It was crazy. So affiliate marketing was so easy compared to what I had started with in the first place when I started, you know, this whole online career, online business. And so, by the way, stick around to the end of this video where I'll talk about new strategies and updates from YouTube and how they announce so many great new features that's going to allow any new creator getting started on YouTube to really dominate fast and to kill it and crush it with monetization and growth on YouTube. Okay, so circling back to the topic of affiliate marketing, I would say that the key here was that I just focused on one income stream at a time, because a lot of people getting started on this platform, they're like, oh man, like I gotta, you know, figure out so many ways to make money because I'm not gonna qualify for Google AdSense. You know, one type of income stream isn't enough. I have to make multiple income streams, and that's just not the case. It's the same thing, just with anything in business. You got to focus on one thing first to make it grow before you can focus on other things. So you get one income stream going first, and then you can focus on adding more and more and more. So that's what I did. I focused on affiliate marketing. I'm like, I'm gonna make this work. And that's exactly what I did. So there's a few types of ways to do affiliate marketing on YouTube, and that's like with doing reviews of products that you're doing. So for example, there's a YouTuber that I had followed in the past. I think his channel is all about analyzing backpacks. Like, I'm not kidding. He has a channel about analyzing bags and backpacks and different things to travel with. And so that is like a way to definitely do affiliate marketing, where you're saying like, oh, you make a video like, oh, the top 5 travel backpacks for digital nomads, and then each backpack that you talk about in review has your affiliate link in the description. The other way to do affiliate marketing is like comparison of 2 direct products. So maybe you are in the online fitness consulting niche and you're analyzing 3 different supplements. You're going to make a video saying this supplement versus this supplement versus this supplement, my thoughts and opinion. And so you'll analyze each one of them, and then as people search for reviews on this one type of product, they're going to get your review of all the products, and whichever one they decide to buy, they will purchase yours through your link in the description. So there's a lot of ways to mix it up and do affiliate marketing. One thing I did in the beginning which is definitely a way people are still making money with YouTube and affiliate marketing, is called launch jacking. So what you're doing is you're hijacking the search traffic of a new product that is coming into the market. So what do people do when a new market or a new product comes to the market, right? They go to Google or they go to YouTube and type in, X product review, right? And so they want to make sure it's a legit product. So what you do, and what I did for a lot of products that came out, is I created videos around these new products. And so what I would do is create a review on it like a week before it came out, because all you had to do really is ask the company like, hey, can I try out the product? Can I get some affiliate resources for it? Can I get some email swipes and other marketing tools? And of course the company's gonna say yes. So this is how I was able to make a quick couple $1,000s, is I would do a review video on these products that just came into the market. So I would get a lot of views in a short amount of time. This is okay, but I would say, like, if you have a channel that you want to dedicate to reviews, great, but in the long run, you may get a little bit bored of it, just being honest. The good way, or the evergreen, sustainable way to do affiliate marketing, is if you're just talking in general about, tutorials and giving value based on what it is you're doing. And what does this even mean? So for example, if I make an evergreen video about how to be an opera singer, okay? I don't know what affiliate products there are for opera singing, but let's just say you're giving tips about how to be a singer in the opera genre, and you're talking about a lesson or tutorial or whatever, a coach even, that helped you tremendously grow and develop your singing abilities. You can refer that service or that whatever product it is and have an affiliate link in that one. So basically that's more evergreen and it's more sustainable, because with like launch jacking and even some review tutorials, they will get outdated, because if you do like the iPhone 10, like obviously that's already an old phone, or if you do like an iPhone 13 review and we're all the way in 2040, that's going to be a little bit outdated. So the trick is to find a way to make affiliate marketing tutorials with products and topics that are evergreen. So no matter if your video is searched next week or in 3 years, it's still going to be relevant and you're still going to make a lot of money with your affiliate link in the description of that video. And so, by the way, if you're an entrepreneur, business owner, coach, consultant, freelancer, any one of those who's really looking to take YouTube seriously and use it as a platform to leverage and drive massive amounts of organic traffic to your product or service, definitely download my Subscribers to Sales Blueprint up here, or the link in the description, because that goes over my journey and the 6 steps that you will need to take in order to make a profitable YouTube channel from day one, as soon as you post your first video. Okay, so now you might be asking, okay, Marissa, so was this the way you made your first 100K? Nope, it wasn't. Let's continue and share more of how I created that 6-figure mark on my first year on YouTube. And that next income stream that I got was Google AdSense. So I got monetized relatively quickly. Within just like 3.5 months is when I got my first check from Google AdSense, and I got monetized within 2 months or something like that. And that was because I was posting a lot, like every day. If not every day, it was every other day. Sometimes I doubled up if I didn't post every day. That's not healthy. I'm not recommending anyone post every day, because that'll just burn you out like crazy. But that's what I did. And so trust me, those Google AdSense checks back then were definitely necessary, because my first year on YouTube, I was definitely trying to pay back hundreds and thousands of dollars of credit card debt. So I needed the revenue, really. But yeah, I was able to get monetized fairly quickly with the YouTube partnership program, which I have an update coming on that as it relates to YouTube Shorts at the end of this video, so stay tuned. But my first AdSense check was relatively very high. It was like $1,200, and I was like, whoa. I wasn't expecting this. I was so happy, but that was definitely a great chunk of change that I was earning as a new creator with less than 5,000 subs. And once your channel does qualify for the YouTube partnership program of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within a 12-month period, it's a beautiful thing. And so the next revenue stream that added to that first 100K was online course creation. Yes, I stepped into the online course creation because I realized really quickly that this was like a thing, like the online education business. It's a $1 billion business. It's like $40 billion business or something insane like that, and it's only going to get bigger and bigger and bigger. And so basically I polled my audience. I was like, hey guys, what is it that you want to learn from me more in depth? Like if I were to teach you something, like a course, like what would you buy from me, right? And the number one thing they asked was affiliate marketing, of course, because that's what I talked a lot about in the beginning of the channel. And so I'm like, okay, I created a course, I packaged it up, I created it maybe within a couple of weeks, I created a sales page from it, and I had a checkout, and so that people could pay with their credit card or PayPal, I believe. And I sold it for $197. It was called like Affiliate Breakthrough Academy or something like that. And I was really excited. I felt like, man, like I'm official. I have a course. It was really, really fun. And that's when I got super, super, super enthusiastic about online course creation. And I knew that it was something I wanted to double down on in the future, which has actually happened, okay? And so for you course creators out there, YouTube is a no-brainer, okay? It's a no-brainer for you to start a channel if you haven't already, because it's incredibly powerful. Just the type of traffic that you will get going to, let's say, your webinar funnels, going to your higher ticket coaching programs. YouTube will drive the best sales and organic traffic to your courses and programs, hands down. And so the breakdown of that first 100K, I just went over it, not rocket science, just affiliate marketing, Google AdSense revenue, and my very first online course that I created. The most, I would say like 85% of the revenue did come from affiliate marketing, because back then, I forgot to mention, I was promoting a high ticket affiliate product or program, which you can definitely do, because I would say right now, it doesn't matter whether you're driving traffic to something high ticket or something lower ticket. The general conversion of a solid product is 2%. So if you do the math on anything that you're promoting, just think about how many views you need to get, a certain amount of leads, and just evaluate how your funnel is doing. Like I'm not saying if you're promoting like an Amazon camera or something like that, that's kind of impossible to track. But if you're promoting a legit program or a subscription-based model or something like that, you're going to want to be able to track how many sales you can get from this product. And this goes whether you're promoting your own product or an affiliate product, because what you'll do is you'll say, okay, in the month of January, right, the channel got 20,000 views. Okay, and so let's say with 20,000 views, you got 5 sales on either an affiliate product or your own product. Then you can kind of backtrack and get the conversion rate of what that is. And you're like, okay, so if I, double down on my top content the next month in February, let's say we get 30,000 views, then that'll create approximately 8 sales or something like that. So you'll know how the product converts, and this is very, very important to scaling your affiliate revenue and even your own revenue as a business owner. So now let's talk about why now more than ever in the history of YouTube that it's easier to grow and monetize faster than ever. Okay, so now if you're a creator, or if you're a small creator, or you're somebody thinking of starting a channel soon, just jump in, because for these reasons, our path to being successful is so much easier than it was before. And that first reason is we know the algorithm. We can figure out what makes the algorithm tick. There's so many videos and helpful resources out there, especially that YouTube distributes, that says, hey, this is what the algorithm likes. It's a no-brainer. The algorithm loves watch time and retention and creators that can keep their audience on the platform for as long as possible. So we know the algorithm. The second reason is because this new thing called YouTube Shorts. Now, Shorts creators have a much lower barrier to entry to being successful on YouTube. And now the creators that have been, the OGs that have been creating long form content can now really double down on their shorts. The cool thing that YouTube just announced is that now it's much easier to be discovered with your short form content than it was before. So now your short form content can get your long form content discovered, which is huge. Huge, because before YouTube was separating out the shorts content with the long form content, because the shorts, once you saw a video on the shorts shelf, it was kind of like TikTok. You can maybe see that creator again, or maybe you would never see that same creator again. But now if you see a shorts video, you can then see that creator's long form content on your home feed, which is absolutely amazing. And now for the first time ever, you can create a shorts video directly from your long form content. And the best part about it is that YouTube short video will have a direct link to the long form video. That is absolutely bananas. And the third reason is we know the pillars of great successful channels. We know that it has everything to do with video quality, good video quality. We also know that the algorithm loves frequency, and the more you post and the better you are at showing up. So whether your consistency looks like posting 2 amazing videos per month or 2 videos per week, as long as you're showing up and keeping up the frequency that you make for yourself, the algorithm is going to love it. And the third pillar that we know to be true of the YouTube algorithm are the topics and the thumbnails. Now, we don't need to reinvent the wheel on how to create solid topics and thumbnails. It's really a no-brainer. We can just go to other creators and other example channels out there who are doing really well and model after their winning titles and winning thumbnails. And of course, this means doing it in your own version. This isn't like copying what they're doing exactly. This is remixing it and putting it into your own voice and your own brand as a creator and making it pop. And also now being a smaller YouTuber isn't so intimidating because YouTube's constantly updating things. Like for example, now all you need is 500 subscribers in order to access the community tab. And the community tab is a way to get more traffic to your videos. It's a way to get to know your audience, ask them, poll them, post videos, post pictures of yourself, and have it be like a true feed, almost like you're on Instagram or something like that. Okay, so on this video, you'll notice that I didn't talk about my YouTube equipment hardly at all. So definitely if you're still interested in this topic and getting started, I highly advise you go right now to click on this video and watch it. It's all about my YouTube equipment that I use now, and also the equipment I started with in the beginning, the only equipment I needed to get me to 6 figures. And I'll give you a hint. It had a lot to do with this phone right here. So I'll see you on that video. Click right here. Have a good one.